Okay, let's see this question. We want to find the least common denominator of the rational expressions. Why do we need least common denominator? You know, when we do addition or subtraction on those two rational expressions, like here, we need common denominator. Apparently, 9 over x, you need both numerator and denominator multiplied by x plus 7. And 4 over x plus 7, you need x upstairs and x downstairs. So in this case, you will have a denominators x times x plus 7 be the same. Then you can add numerators. And here, the least common denominator is x times x plus 7. That's the one right here. So the second choice is the correct answer. Why do we need least common denominator? For example, when you do 2 over 3 plus 5 over 2, the first one, 2/3, needs 2 upstairs and 2 downstairs. 2 over 5, you need 3 upstairs and 3 downstairs. So then you will make 2 times 3 downstairs is 6, and here 2 times 3 downstairs is 6. So you may add 2 times 2, which is 4, plus 5 times 3, which is 15. So 15 plus 4, you have a 19 upstairs, downstairs is just 6. You may say, I also can do is upstairs, you use 2 times 2, downstairs you use 2 times 2. It works fine. Here you need 3 times 2, 3 times 2, because you made 3 times 2 times 2 is 12. 2 times 3 times 2, you have a 12. So 12, they are the same. So you can add numerators. Apparently 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. And here 5 times 3 times 2 is 30. So you got to do is 30 for the second one plus 8, which is 38. 38 over 12. You have to reduce it. Okay, so that's why least common denominator is important. It's 6. Even the common denominator 12 works. Okay, so here is the meaning for least common denominator. Now, let's look at question 17. Question 17, we need to find the least common denominator. One is 9 over x minus 10. Another is 2 over x minus 6. Apparently, you need x minus 6 upstairs and downstairs for the first rational expression. Here you need x minus 10 for numerator and denominator. And then you will make denominators be the same. So the answer is x minus 10 times x minus 6. The first one is our correct choice. Okay, that was 17. Here comes 18. For 18, we need to do is 24 over 8x plus 27 over 3x. You may say, I want to make denominators be the same. Here we need 3 upstairs and downstairs. Here we need 8 and 8. You are right, but why not reduce first fraction rational expression? 24 divided by 8 is 3. 27 divided by 3 is 9. And then after you reduce those two rational expressions, you then have a x are the same. 3 plus 9, you have a 12. So in this case, second choice is our correct answer. Okay, let's work on question 19. For question 19, you have a 7 over x squared minus 6 over x. So then you need only use x to multiply upstairs and downstairs for the second rational expression. It will make denominator x squared for the second rational. And you simply need to subtract 7 minus 6x. So here the second one, second choice is the correct answer. All right. Okay, now let's look at the question 20. Question 20, we want to solve the rational equation. We know the least common denominator is 15, 3 times 5. So then you do not want to use the subtraction for these two. You simply use 15 times everywhere. And 15 divided by 3 is 5. 15 divided by 5 is 3. 7 times 15 is 105. The equation becomes so easy after you multiplied LCD everywhere. 5 minus 3, you have a 2, so 2x on the left. And then here you have a 105, and then both sides divided by 2. And you will have the answer, which is 105 divided by 2. Okay, so that's the last question. The solution is 105 divided by 2 is the solution. Okay, I'll stop right here and see you next time.